Today we're going to make this shrimp rice bowl with shrimp, rice, cilantro, lime rice, cucumbers, and carrots. It's a perfect next meal for you with kidney disease. Hello, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. And today we're going to make a delicious and tasty shrimp bowl that is perfect for kidney-friendly diets. It's low in salt and it's perfect for anybody with a love for seafood, especially shrimp. Stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to have a new favorite that's both tasty and mouth-watering. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients. We have the shrimp, cucumbers, water, vinegar, rice, onions, 5 different spices, carrots, coconut milk, lime juice, coconut oil, cilantro, and sugar. All those things together, we're going to put into a delicious shrimp bowl that you can have as a nutritious snack or a delicious meal. All right, so now we're going to make the rice. We're going to start by rinsing out the rice. So I like to rinse it out so that any sort of coating or starchiness comes off of it. This makes a better rice bowl altogether. Okay, our next step is to cook the rice. So we're going to put the rice in the pan. Then we're going to add a cup of water and we're going to add a cup of coconut milk for that coconutty flavor. We're going to bring that to a boil and then cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. For these shrimp bowls, we are going to, for the rice, we are going to, once it's completed and it's finished cooking, you're going to add the rest of the coconut oil. You're going to add the lime juice and the cilantro. So this is cilantro lime rice, and it is absolutely the most flavorful, delicious rice that you will have in a long time. It's very low sodium, very healthy. So you just kind of stir it together. You're going to let it sit for a minute to meld all the ingredients together and soak up the lime juice. So good. So delicious. And then we'll be ready to assemble the bowls and make your new favorite meal. Also, while the rice is cooking, we're going to make our pickled onions because they have to set in the refrigerator for a few minutes. We're going to put the sliced onions. You can slice them as thin as you like, as thick as you like. They're going to be an add on top of the shrimp bowl. So I like to put them in a mason jar because it's easy to shake it up and just store it in the fridge. But you can put it in a bowl or whatever you like. So we're going to put some sugar in there, some vinegar to pickle them, and some water. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm just going to shake them up a little. Get that sugar mixed in. That can go in the refrigerator. I like to stick that in the refrigerator for 5 to 20 minutes, depending on how pickled you want them. Pickling the onions gives that extra tangy flavor to your shrimp bowl. Okay, so while the rice is cooking, we are going to go ahead and add the spices to the shrimp. So I'm just going to mix all of my little bowl of spices together, evenly mix it around. And then I'm going to sprinkle it in the shrimp. Basically, this gets them really coated with a lot of flavor for your shrimp bowl. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just sucking up all that flavor. Okay, now we're going to cook our shrimp. So we're going to add a little bit of the coconut oil in there to give it a nice coconutty flavor. And then if you'll remember, we added the spices to the shrimp to reduce the sodium so we don't have as much salt as this gets hot. Okay, now I'm going to add the shrimp and I'm going to try to cook it till it's pink and opaque. A couple minutes per side. I don't want to overcook it, but I want it all to get that nice coconut flavor. So you can see my shrimp have turned a nice pink opaque color, and I'm getting ready. I'm going to take them off and put them somewhere in the microwave or something to keep them warm while I'm finishing up the rice and the other ingredients. All right, so now we're going to assemble the rice bowl. I've put the cilantro lime rice that is absolutely delicious into the bowl. And then I'm going to add some cucumbers and carrots throughout the bowl. And then I'm going to add the 1/4 of the serving, which is about 2 ounces of the shrimp. What a beautiful bowl this is making. And then I'm going to add my pickled onions. So you can use as many or as little as you like, but I like the way the pickled onions just have a little bit of sweetness. Delicious in the bowl. So enjoy your delicious meal. So there you have it, this delicious cilantro lime rice, pickled onions, cucumbers, carrots, and best of all, shrimp recipe that is perfect for a kidney-friendly diet. And I love this rice. It's just got enough lemony, coconutty flavor. And then you have the shrimp, and the shrimp is very flavorful with all those spices. Everything else is just delicious. So enjoy your shrimp bowl.